Hey there, fellow gamers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech stuff in a fun and straightforward way. Today, we're tackling a quick but super important topic: how to log out of your Steam account in 2025. Whether you're switching accounts on a shared computer, enhancing your online security, or just wrapping up a gaming session, knowing how to log out properly is a must. It's a simple process, but we'll go through it step by step to make sure you don't miss a beat. First things first, fire up the Steam application on your computer. If you're on the Steam website, make sure you're logged in there, but we'll focus on the app for this guide since it's the most common way to play. Once Steam is open, look at the top left corner of the window. That's where the magic happens. Click on the Steam menu. It's usually represented by the Steam logo or the word Steam itself. Now, in the drop-down menu that appears, scroll down just a bit until you see the Logout option. Go ahead and click on that. Steam might ask you to confirm your action for security reasons, so if a pop-up appears, just hit Yes or Confirm to proceed. And voila, you'll be logged out of your account, and you'll see the login screen again. But wait, what if you're using the Steam mobile app? The process is pretty similar. Open the app, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, and look for the Logout button in the menu that pops up. Easy peasy. Remember, logging out regularly helps protect your account from unauthorized access, especially on public devices. One quick tip: if you're ever in a rush, you can also use the keyboard shortcut, press Alt plus F4 to close the app, but that doesn't properly log you out, so stick to the menu for the best results. There you have it, folks. You've just mastered logging out of Steam in 2025. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more gaming tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Game on.